So let's have a look at section number 4 of lesson 1, which is how to form the plurals in Spanish, which is really, really easy compared to the English language. We said before in the lesson that we have two numbers. So we have singular and we have plural. Singular is when we are talking about one person or one thing, and plural is when we are talking about two or more people or things. So rule number 1 to form the plural in Spanish is that if the word ends in vowel, so if it ends in A, E, I, O, or U, all we need to do to form the plural in Spanish is add an S. So for example, on the left-hand side of the slide, we have the word el perro, which means the dog. If we wanted to form the plural of that word, all we need to do is add an S and say perros. And obviously, we already know by now that we need to change the definite article from the singular masculine el to the plural masculine los. So the dogs, los perros. And we also know how to form the plural. So the plural will be las perras. Now, how do we form the plural of words that end in consonant? So the rest of the alphabet in Spanish, if you don't have a vowel, you have a consonant. So if the word ends in consonant, instead of adding an S, we need to add ES. So for example, on the right-hand side of the slide, we have the word el árbol, the tree. So el árbol ends in el. So to form the plural, we just need to add es. And we would say árboles. Los árboles, to say the trees. Or we have the word la flor. To add, to form the plural of that word, we would say las flores, to say the flowers. There is one top tip that I can give you when we are forming plurals in Spanish. So we say that words ending in consonant, we need to add es. So even if you come across a word that is singular and ends in es, you would still need to add es to form the plural. So for example, we have the word el autobús, the bus. So to form the plural, we would add es and say los autobuses, or el inglés, los ingleses, el país, los países.